Hello everybody, today on the brand new season of Memery Cooks, Season 2 baby, to start things off with Season 2, we're going to be making a classic bologna sandwich, fried. Now you might have said, oh, you already did this, but that was a normal one and not fried. And we're going to be adding some special ingredients too. Just you wait. Now we have our pan. We will turn the stove on. And while that is heating up, I am going to introduce you a new segment called While the Pan Heats Up, where we cook a mini dish before the main dish can even start. And for our first episode of that, we are be doing mini sausage rolls. These take around 30 seconds to make. So you just gotta pop them in and click the 30-second button. And while that's cooking, I'm gonna introduce you to the new segment called While It Microwaves, where during the microwaving process of the While the Pan Heats Up segment, we cook something in the meantime. For today, we're doing a Maxwell House original roast coffee. Gotta throw the old one out. Don't forget to turn it on. And throw the new one in. Personally, I like mine strong, but you do you. And while that's cooking, I'm gonna show you I'm gonna show you the next thing called While the Coffee's Coffeeing, where we cook something in the meantime of the coffeeing in the meantime of the sausaging in the meantime of the pan heating up. Today on While the Coffees is tea. The first step in creating a great tea is by pouring. The second step to making a great tea is by leaving it out for a bit while I do the next part of the video. While the tea sits, I'm going to make soft baked cookies confetti edition. I don't like it. Since that is done, we can now drink this. Really good tea. And since that is done, it is time to drink the coffee. That coffee was delicious. Now it is time for almost the main course. Oh my god. All the time to do the fucking this thing. That was a lot of foods. You wanna have a slit down the middle, so it doesn't mess up. While that's cooking, put the thing here. You put the other one here. That there, put that there. You have yourself the most disappointing meal. Guaranteed.
Television, heard it on the radio, this intro is
One second, I'm gonna see if I can turn off the water with the GoPro. Oh. Oh. Oh, almost had it. Gotta like hit it. There you go. There you go. Nice. Yeah. Alright, that's the video.
saw it on the television, heard it on the radio, this intro is not yet the end.